All right, back again with another Facebook grab. Skateboard Complete for $25. This time I got this. I found this Baker board with indies. These are cool because these are Indy hollows, titanium, and it came with Autobahn wheels, 52 millimeter, 83B scale Duro, with I think these are big balls, bones. The funny thing is, when I saw this, it was like hollow, right, and then regular, but I was wrong when I actually picked it up for 25. It's actually the hollow titanium ones. You should just be able to see it here on the hanger. Let me try to zoom in. There, titanium. And it's funny because, as you can see, the trucks are put on backwards. This looks like a 129s, which is a little smaller for the size 8s. But, you know, $25 for this whole complete titanium indies, which is also the USA made because it has the cross logo. Very rare. And then, of course, some brand new stuff. Grip, I'm not sure what it is. It feels like Jessup. Has air bubbles, so it can't be mob. And yeah, it rides very funny. Of course, because the trucks are backwards. So to push, to go that way, I don't know if you can't see it, but there's to push forward, you go left. It's kind of random, but $25 for this. Looks like it's not even that bad, you know. Looks fresh board. Titanium indies, titanium hollow indies, Autobahn, and bones. I'm gonna go ahead and switch this around and kind of do my thing. And yeah, it's a Rowan Sorilla board by size 8 Baker. That's cool. Fresh board for $25. Yep, just to be sure, it is 8. 8 tail is usually 6. This is 6.5. Nose is actually like a 7. 52 millimeter Autobahn wheels. Autobahn went out of business a while back along with Cliche, but I think they're under a new distributor. I forgot what they're called. As you can see, previous owner put the trucks on backwards and tightened down the bolt like hella bad. It's crazy. And of course the grip job does suck. It's even like peeling. This might actually be grizzly. Who knows? Yeah, we can fix those. Clean it up, give it some love. Yeah, it's a little smaller than what I'm used to. So this is a 129 stage 11 forged titanium Indy. Hell yeah. That's cool. It's a pretty small truck, but we'll try it out. Yeah, I just cleared that hole and it was like a spider's nest or something. I haven't blew into that. Yuck. Pretty wild. We're fixing the trucks to its right position and we're loosening it up. And then yeah. All right, so I already flipped the trucks around, and yeah, I did measure it. This is, and you saw, it's a 129, so it's a smaller truck size for the 8. But this is be the limit of this, you know, the truck size. The wheels are Chico Brenes, Autobahn Pro models, and the bearings. If you could look at that, it's Bone Swiss. Yep, Bone Swiss. I'm not sure what the hardware is. I know this grip tape might read Grizzly because it's really peeling because Grizzly sucks. Yeah, I don't know the hardware, but yeah, I'm probably gonna shave this down. We're gonna cruise it a little bit and feel it out. Again, this is basically a new board. Even the grip job is so fresh. Run it off the corners. Yeah, this is definitely Grizzly grip. laid the sides. Should be good. Clean this off with some nice scrub water. Should be good. Feels kind of too loose. Scrub the grip down a little bit, you know, to get rid of that muddy patch that they had. But we're gonna go ahead and blade this one more time to make it look more fresh. So I'm pretty sure the board is still good. It just, I'm gonna need to put a little more effort in figuring out the trucks. Behold, Stage 4's independent with Ace Classics hanger, titanium base plate, Frankenstein trucks. Fuck with your trucks. So I took my Ace hangers and I took off the titanium Indy 129's hangers and I made Stage 4, which is pretty much Ace hangers and Indy base plates. I'm pretty stoked on this. Let's see how it skates. All right, so I like the lightness of Thunders, but I don't like how the base plate is so flat, and that when I do front blunts on rails, the wheels will actually be the one sliding. I miss that little king grind, was that base plate? That kind of grinds as well, so I made Thunder Indies. Gonna try it out. Board madness. Yeah. Been a little bit of a while since I've used these chesty and head mounts for my GoPro, even the GoPro, because I'm like just taking a break from vlogging, but I want to try to use it in skating. So here's some POV shots of me skating. All right, let's try this out. Feels weird having it on my head, but hopefully it gets the angle. So these are like stage 10s, mids, and bones bushings on top. And of course Baker. Let's try it out. Alright, that's good enough. I'm not more comfortable with the head. Maybe the chesty. All right, let's go again. We'll do board slide and then switch board regs to fucking fakie heel. The weight of my GoPro is like pulling my head forward. I don't know how people skate with it. Even if the head mount is there, it's, you just gotta like ignore it, I bet. But it is, it's obviously there. You know, there's like a weight on your head. Maybe if I was wearing a helmet, I would have been used to it, but I'm not. All right, it's good having a cool POV view, but this is all for trial. Let's go regular. Oh, you're probably gonna see this board change, like the E part. It's probably gonna be gone by a few sessions. I should wax the rail, but I waxed my board. But again, this is one of the first times I'm skating this board. Bam! All right, mind you that this board is not my main skateboard. It's just the home board, but it's feeling really good since I switched up the mids and added this hanger of the older Indies and Bones V5s. So I'm comfortable. You can never have too much wax on your board unless you're going down something, you know, and you're going fast, but it's better than slipping and shooting out than sticking and falling. Here you go, long front board, come back around, switch front board, and then fakie flip. Ooh, I hit the GoPro. I don't know if the angle's good, but I'm pretty sure it's not. All right, long front board, switch front board, fakie flip, and I'll probably get stuck because it's too slow, but let's get it. Oh, that was disgusting. I'm not even ready. I'm digging it. Did it not record? That's a bus up. Yeah, overdoing it. Woohoo! Ghetto dough! I'm only here to skate my box. Back in Zedo. Last time I was here, the shit fucked my shit up, which was about maybe a week ago. We're still skating the Thunder hanger with Indy base plates, my Frankenstein style trucks. They're kind of like a stage 4 looking truck. They feel a little hanger, a little looser because the hanger is, you see the trussels or whatever they're called. They're more slimmed down. I think they're called trussels. Yeah, the wings pretty much of the hanger. The trussels, I think that's what it's called. I forgot what they're called. Since they're slimmed down, my turn's a little crazier, so I tighten my trucks. And I'm using independent bushings, the older ones, not the China-made ones, so they're kind of still fresh. I gotta break them in. But I'm trying to just get like a good session on this box, because I do love boxes. And then I'll go ahead and try to get some shit around the park. I haven't skated here in a long time, so it's pretty wild when you don't skate a place. And even if you grew up skating that place and then you haven't been there in a while, it's kind of wild. Everything looks a little different, but I'm not even sure how slick things are, you know, even the paint and stuff. But we'll get a sesh. Let's go. So Smiths on this Frankenstein Indy Thunder trucks feel really cool because they're almost inverted because I shaved them down. But as you can see, look how much clearance I have since I shaved down my kingpin. Wild. Alright, so like, since it's Thunder and Indies, Thunders are kind of pushed more way back and the tilting point of it is kind of off. But I only got the Indies base plate because I like that chunkiness of when I get into a lock and grind. On the Thunders, they were too flat that like it depended more on the wheels to slide. So this is kind of like a crazy mix, but I'm enjoying how it skates. I want to do this fakie, or I want to do Smith the fakie and then crook the fakie. Let's see if I get that. Ooh. Also, I'm skating my old V3s because I want a slimmer wheel. So they're more slimmer, and of course I did kind of grind it so it's not that square, and it's kind of like a cheat where it's easier and it's like it's already worn in because I flipped them, I rotated them and I flipped them. So these are a skinnier wheel, and yeah, very interesting specs on this setup. I mean, I always talk about it in all these skate dumps, but I've been trying to really make this work. Getting snaked by people who just come pass through the park sucks. right, I got the POV of Ghetto Skate Park. Ghetto Skate Park on the GoPro. I want to try to. I'm actually just using it now. I haven't skated around the park. I just always skate the ledge. But yeah, dude, this is what me and Stan made. We put this coping on for because we didn't like the granite. That was cool. Good time, Stan. This one needs to kind of have some work. You got a kind of gap to grind. Is that handrail's looking all right? It's all set. Always looks, doesn't look as long as before. It's just like a 6 stair high. Let's go check what else we got around the old stomping grounds. Got the bowl. We got this ledge that everyone sits on, but for the first time it's kind of like open. Got a slant rail, of course. Broken lighter, some cool barrier walls. This one, this tombstone, me, Kalani, PJ made. That was pretty cool. We added it into, we added shit into, we made some DIY in this park. What else we got here? Got these little cool like slappy stuff. It's pretty cool. The 4 stair, nice wall ride. And then of course, whatever you saw. We also have, I think this is version 3 or 4 of this fucking pink ledge. This is still doing good. This was actually 3 blocks, and then before it was only like 4 blocks. It was like crazy. It's my favorite thing here. Quarter pipes walls, the banks, the crescent mini bowl, this pyramid. This guy over there sacking shit. This is Ghetto. Every time you come, something weird happens. This is a great park. It's just the environment outside of it, it just became so ghetto. Look at that guy.